So children, in the previous class we had studied about the lesson number 5, Tony the human wasp. This is the second part of the lesson, that the remaining lesson will be explained in this part. In the last class we had seen that the older boys were troubling Tony for his lunch box, and he was just upset with the problems that he was facing. Finally he thought about a sting for himself, taking the wasp as a model which he saw in his park. So now let us see what will happen when Tony fills his lunchbox with a hot sausage sandwich, and the older boy will eat that sandwich, and he will be completely ended up with spicy hot sandwich, crying and coughing. Never again that boy wanted to eat Tony's lunchbox. Another boy wanted to hit Tony, but this time Tony didn't run away. From memory, himself the phone number of his parents, his teacher, and the boy's own mother. If you hit me, they will all find out, and you will be feeling sorry for what you did, Tony told him, looking at the boy so determinedly and bravely that the boy felt him alone. When a boy came to hit Tony, what Tony did, he said that if you hit me, I have your mother, father, and teacher's phone number. I will just complain about you that you are hitting me, and all will rest on you so that you will be punished. He looked at the boy who came to hit him, and strongly, determinedly he said these words, I will make a complaint about you. I have the phone number of your mother, your father, and your teacher. So the boy felt that I am alone when Tony said him that he will complain about him. Another bully wanted to take Tony's color pencils. Instead of giving them in fear, Tony gave the boy a small card written by a policeman he knew. It read, if you rob this boy, I will come after you and I will even lock you up. Here what happened? One more boy wanted to take away Tony's color pencils. But what Tony had done? He was knowing one of the police officer who was his friend. He made that police officer to write a small chit that if anybody will rob Tony's things, they will be taken away and put in the lockup. So when that boy wanted to rob Tony's color pencils, what Tony will do? He will just give that chit to that boy. That boy will read the chit. What is written in the chit? It is written that if anyone will take Tony's color pencils, they will be taken by the police and they will be put in the lockup. Okay? The tricks worked. What Tony was like following the tricks, no? That all worked. Everybody stopped troubling Tony. Okay? So let us see what will happen next. Just like Tony had been afraid of their beatings, those big kids too were afraid of many things. On an occasion, a bully hit him a couple of times, and Tony had to be brave and carry out his warning. The bully got such a fight that from that day onwards he preferred to protect Tony. Okay, so what happened? One day one boy, bully means boys who are very naughty. Okay, here one of the boy will hit Tony. Then afterwards what happens? Tony faces that very strongly, and that boy will feel no, it is a mistake, I should not trouble Tony, perhaps I have to save him. Next what will happen? So in the end Tony became like the wasp he had seen. Without even having to sting anyone, he frightened them and ensured that no one would mess with him. See here children, what happened in the end? Tony became a strong and brave boy, and no one troubled him because he was just having the tricks to frighten everyone. This ends with your lesson. What is the purpose of they giving you this lesson, children? It's just this much. Whatever may be the problems, whoever may be the troublers who are troubling us, just we have to have a strong mentality and a strong willpower to face the problem which is behind us or above us, and after facing everything surely we will have a good beginning. So children, what do you understand from this lesson? As a child or as a younger elder one, you have to be strong enough to face all the problems that you have, and surely when you are strong enough to face, there is a way. Okay, you know that saying, no, where there is a will there is a way. If you want to achieve something, surely you have the way for the success. Okay children, this completes your lesson number 5, Tony the human wasp. Thank you children. See you in the next class. Till then, take care, be healthy. Bye.